Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready? Check your network signal and speed because Icloud Drive stalls when packets drop. Once done, verify Apple's system status for Icloud and update your device to the latest OS. Updates fix sync bugs. Now sign into Icloud using your Apple ID and confirm two-factor if prompted. This re-authenticates the sync engine. Finally, restart the device to clear transient cache so the drive can attempt a fresh connection, and you can start the repair steps immediately. Now you act to rebuild the sync process. Toggle Icloud Drive off, wait 30 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a metadata refresh. This often restarts uploads and downloads. On a Mac, quit the Bird and Cloud processes in Activity Monitor to clear stuck threads. On iPhone or iPad, force quit the Files app and reboot so background tasks restart cleanly. Also make sure background app refresh and mobile data for iCloud are enabled so sync can continue uninterrupted. Finish by letting the system reindex. Large accounts take minutes to hours, so watch file timestamps for progress. If you still see loading, sign out of iCloud, reboot the device, then sign back in to force a full resync of metadata and local cache. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or reset network settings to eliminate conflicting extensions or DNS issues. One key troubleshooting tip: test another network if iCloud works there. The issue is with your router or ISP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.